Here's how to fix squeaky brakes when your pads are still good. Jack it up and make sure to put a jack stand underneath. Turn your wheels for easier access. Remove these two caliper bolts. Sand down the face and edges of the pads like this. Apply anti-squeal to the back of the pads. I'm using Permatex brand. Clean and lube your pin slides while you're in there with silicone lube. Also put the anti-squeal on the caliper. Put a touch of blue Loctite on those bolts. It should look like this after it's all together. Wrap that wheel back on. Torque to spec. Enjoy your restored sanity.